I thought that freedom of expression is the cornerstone of democracy, and when people can speak freely about issues, then we can combat impunity in society. I joined the Human Rights Network for Journalists, and we started from scratch. There was no legal department. We started helping journalists who are incarcerated, who had been accused of defamation, treason, and step by step we were winning cases in courts. In 2014, we had a standoff between the Prime Minister, the Inspector General of Government, and the President's family. And the magistrate at that time had a ruling barring all journalists, throwing out journalists from covering the case. So I filed a case in the High Court to overturn this particular incident because I believe that open justice is very relevant in a society. The High Court overturned the magistrate's ruling barring journalists from covering that so-called sensitive matter, and it was the first case of open justice in Uganda, and now journalists cannot be thrown out of court while covering cases because they are the eyes and ears of the society. It's still a very very big struggle for us in Africa. There's less freedom of speech every day, most especially when there are critical issues that touch the daily lives of people, issues concerning corruption, no medicines in hospitals. Um, we need more human rights defenders to open the space to allow people to freely demonstrate, to freely speak about the anomalies that go on in their communities. I've met a very wide network of people coming from different countries. They have diverse backgrounds, diverse experiences in human rights, and I believe as a human rights lawyer, I I don't stick to one issue, so I'm going to tap into the experiences in the different areas of human rights if I ever encounter those issues. If you're looking to make a difference in the world, then please, this is the best thing to do. Jump for it. You'll feel satisfied, you'll make great connections around the world, and you'll go to bed every night having that sense of satisfaction that you'll never find anywhere.
What's your favorite comical movie?
Three Idiots. Yeah, it's very funny.